Hey there, welcome back. I'm your host, and today we're diving into an exciting topic: the best AI thumbnail generator for beginners in 2026. Have you ever found yourself staring at a blank screen, unsure of how to create that eye catching thumbnail? Or maybe you've spent hours tweaking your design only to see minimal clicks on your videos? Well, what if I told you there's a smarter way to create thumbnails that not only look great but also help boost your click through rates? Let's start by breaking down what an AI thumbnail generator actually is for beginners in 2026. Imagine having a smart assistant that knows exactly what catches the eye. These tools analyze tons of data on what makes people click, from color contrasts to trending styles on platforms like YouTube, Instagram, and TikTok. With easy templates and drag and drop features, they allow you to create stunning thumbnails without needing a design background. So whether you're a casual user or a serious creator, these tools can save you time and elevate your game. Now here's where it gets interesting. In 2025 and into 2026, these AI thumbnail makers aren't just fast, they're predictive. They utilize emotion recognition, real-time analytics, and even A/B testing to help you remove the guesswork. Imagine being able to create a thumbnail in under 30 seconds that's optimized for clicks. That's right, these tools can help you boost your click-through rates, often doubling them. In fact, a well-crafted AI-generated thumbnail can increase your CTR by up to 154% compared to your standard efforts. Crazy, right? So, how do you create your very first thumbnail using AI? It's super simple. First, pick your tool. There are several great options out there. Once you've selected one, you usually just need a few clicks. You can start with a template that fits your content, customize it with your colors and text, and boom, you're ready to go. And if you want to refine your images first, there are quick tools available for tasks like background removal or facial retouching that can make your thumbnail pop even more. Speaking of tools, let's take a quick look at some of the best AI thumbnail generators for 2026. The landscape has exploded recently, with options tailored for various needs. For instance, Pixels stands out for its detailed performance insights. It gives you real-world case studies showing how small changes like adjusting face sizes or text contrast can lead to major boosts in views, sometimes from a few hundred to over 20,000. Talk about a game changer. Then there's Thumbly, which is designed with newcomers in mind. It offers templates that are perfectly aligned with current trends on popular platforms, plus it even generates catchy title options to save you from brainstorming on your own. Another key player is vmake.ai, which specializes in batch, A/B testing. This means you can quickly produce multiple thumbnail variations, evaluate their performance, and pick the best one without the hassle. Finally, Visual Kit is a fantastic choice for teams that need to collaborate, with features for brand kits and shared templates, ensuring a consistent look across all content. But wait, there's more to consider. The best thumbnail generators also focus on data-driven optimization. These tools allow creators to test different designs quickly, analyzing performance in real time. This means you can take your thumbnail from good to great by using evidence-based decisions instead of guesswork. Now, you might be wondering about the key features to look for in these tools. Always check for batch generation, A/B testing capabilities, and real-time performance scoring. Emotion recognition is a big plus too, helping you tap into what resonates with viewers. And don't forget about mobile legibility. With more viewers on their phones, your thumbnail needs to look good on smaller screens. So to wrap things up, if you're looking to enhance your